Hey friends, Julia here from Old Spool Sewing Studio in beautiful Brielle, New Jersey, or at least my hands here. I am going to show you the quick and easy way to tie a knot in any thread for hand sewing purposes, because you always need a knot when you get started. So, I am right-handed. I'm going to hang the thread over my left hand and pinch it between my pointer finger and my thumb with the tail in front. Then, I'm going to take the thread and wrap it twice, gently, around my finger. So I've got 2 wraps around my finger, not too tight, because we are going to now roll the thread off using our thumb. You don't want to let go, and what you're aiming for is to have the thread, see how it rolls in on itself? That is what you want. Now, see how it naturally kind of wants to twist and turn? You're going to come in with your middle finger and pinch that whole mess. Hold it and pull the thread with your right hand. And as you do that, a nice fat knot forms. Sometimes it's not the most sightly, but hey, it gets the job done.